Indecision.
Hey there, we're just finishing up our first day in Amsterdam. We got in this morning and we did the Rick Steve Jordaan walking tour. We've still got 2 other walking tours we're going to do, but this one was really beautiful. Got to see a lot of the architecture, canals. People are very friendly, but one tip is definitely watch out for the bicycles.
Definitely.
Cargo ships which had their engines removed, those were the original houseboats. And then you have the shoebox looking ones, because they look like shoeboxes. And you sometimes have a mix of them. You can actually stay in a houseboat because a lot of them are on 900 euros for a night in a houseboat. For instance, this blue one right here, it's called the Rashputana. It's a very famous Airbnb because the legend says Slipknot was kicked out of his hotel in Amsterdam for smoking too much weed. That Airbnbs were really expensive, but houseboat living was actually originally it was called the fanciest houseboat of Amsterdam because it had an interior.
Gentlemen, we're now coming into the Amstel River, and I'm going to keep the story very short because I'm going to... the bridge, you will stay forever together. Happy we don't know, that's on you.